Hoe lyk hy oil? Die oil fine, okay, alright. En die water? Jy moet check om die water man, want ek dink hy word bietjie warm. Huh? The water, yeah, you must check the water for me. I think he heat up a bit. Oh, I don't know, I don't work here. You must ask someone for the water. Huh? Maybe you must ask someone. No, I don't think it's not in front. Not sure. Jy moet die water check man, want hy lyk hy word 'n bietjie warm. Huh?